Good morning, students. In the earlier lecture, we discussed about the types of disabilities. Today, our topic is types of disorder. There are five types of disorder in your syllabus. That is ADHD, SPD, ASD, ODD, and OCD. So let's discuss separately one by one. The first is ADHD. The full form of ADHD is Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It is medical condition that affects how well can someone sit still, focus and pay attention. Lack of focus, lack of attention is there in this disorder. The individual with ADHD have some problems focusing in some activities. This type of disorder is found more common in boys than girls. Its symptoms includes inattentiveness, hyperactivity and impulsiveness. सेल्फ फोकस बिहेवियर होता है इसमें, लैक ऑफ फोकस, अनफिनिश्ड टास्क. So these are the common symptoms in ADHD. The causes can be genetics, bad habits like smoking, alcohol, disorder and brain injury, any accident, any brain injury. So these can be the causes of ADHD. The second is sensory processing disorder, SPD. SPD is the condition in which the brain has difficulty in receiving and responding to the information that comes through senses. Sensory processing disorder may affect one's senses such as touch, sight, taste, movement. It may also affect multiple senses. The person may scream when touched or may vomit or dive under the table after hearing the sound of a leaf blower outside the window. एक इंडिविजुअल हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम SPD, सेंसर्स जब उसके काम करना बंद कर देते हैं या उनमें यू कैन से दैट कि कोई डिफ़िकल्टी आती है सेंसिंग फंक्शंस में, सो ऐसा पर्सन किसी भी साउंड को सुन के टेबल के अंदर छुप सकता है, कुछ टच करो तो वोमिट कर सकता है. सो दीज आर द सिम्टम्स क्या होंगे इसके. इट मे अफेक्ट वन सेंसेस लाइक हियरिंग, टच, टेस्ट, और इट मे अफेक्ट मल्टीपल सेंसेस. पीपल कैन बी ओवर और अंडर रिस्पॉन्सिव टू द थिंग्स दे हैव डिफ़िकल्टी विद. सो जिस सेंसेस में डिफ़िकल्टी आएगी या तो वो उसको ओवर रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा या अंडर रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा, या रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं करेगा. सो दीज कैन बी द सिम्टम्स ऑफ SPD. इसके कोजेज़ क्या हैं. इट कैन बी जेनेटिक्स, abnormal brain activity, neurological disorder, drug addiction. So these are the causes of SPD. The next is ASD, autism spectrum disorder. It affects the development. The word spectrum refers to the range of symptoms and their severity. Generally, the young children with ASD have difficulty with communication, language, social skills, and behavior. The individual who are suffering from ASD can't communicate, can't he doesn't match what is being said, make little and inconsistent eye contact. He is found difficulty in making eye contact, repeating certain behaviors, responding in an unusual way when others show anger, distress, and affection. So, these are the symptoms of ASD. Causes: genetics, biological, environmental. So, these can be the causes of ASD. Next is ODD, oppositional defiance disorder. It is a group of behavior disorder called disruptive behavior disorder. It is called by this name because children with such disorders always tend to disrupt those around them, like teachers, parents, friends. It is a type of behavior disorder. It is mostly diagnosed in childhood. तो इसके सिम्टम्स क्या हैं? Throwing repeated temper, excessive arguing with adults, deliberately trying to upset others, lack of concentration, difficulty in making friends. So those who are suffering from oppositional defiant disorder, they found difficulty in making friends. They found difficulty in concentrate in any task. Excessive arguing with adults. So the causes are genetics, physical factors, psychological factors, environmental factors. So these can be the causes of ODD. Next is OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. It is a common disorder in which a person has uncontrollable repetitive thoughts and behaviors they can't control. They need to perform certain rituals or routines again and again. Fear of dirt or by germs, fear of causing harm to others, fear of making a mistake, repeatedly bathing and washing hands, being stuck on words, image, and thoughts. So, a person suffering from obsessive compulsive disorder have the fear to do anything. These causes of OSD can be of biological, environmental. So these are the obsessive compulsive disorder. So these five are the disorders in your syllabus. I think the meaning and symptoms and causes are clear to everyone. Thank you.